This video will show you how to install the Sentree AC monitoring system from Alert Labs. Before you install Sentree, allow the cooling system to sit unpowered for several minutes. This minimizes refrigerant loss during installation. Turn off the power. Put on gloves. Remove the caps on the service ports. This is the pressure sensor. Screw the caps that you've just removed onto the pressure sensors. Tightly screw the pressure sensors onto the service ports. Pull the pressure sensor nut forward to reduce Schrader valve contact and prevent blowback. Angle them so that water doesn't collect inside the sensor. Check for leaks by spraying some soapy water here, here, and here. Repeat for the other side. There shouldn't be any bubbling. Remove the panel. This is the power supply. Attach the spade connectors onto unused L1 and L2 terminals on the line side. Clean the surface with the alcohol wipe. Dry it off. Stick the power supply to the clean, dry surface. This is the current sensor. Clip it to the L1 or L2 mains cables. Make sure you hear a click. This is the cable harness. Push the power cable through the hole. Plug in the power supply and the current sensor. Secure the power cable. Plug in the red liquid line pressure sensor and the blue vapor line pressure sensor. Make sure the liquid and vapor pipelines are clean. Ensure the temperature sensor is installed tightly on a straight section of the line set for good contact. Secure the sensor with aluminum foil tape, foam tape, and the zip tie should be positioned in the middle of the temperature sensor's metal tube. Do the same for the vapor line temperature sensor. Attach the black ambient temperature sensor out of direct sunlight and so that the condenser unit won't heat or cool the sensor. Attach the cable harness to a secure location. Make sure this notch is aligned with Sentree's port. Plug it into Sentree by pushing and twisting. You have two ways to mount Sentree. 1. Mount Sentree to the condenser unit. Make sure the antenna sticks out above the top of the condenser unit. Or 2. Mount Sentree to the wall. Take a picture of your install, clearly showing all the components. Take a picture of the air conditioner rating plate using the registration app. Put the panel back on. Turn the power back on. Sentree will turn green in a minute or two. If it doesn't, contact support@alertlabs.com. Thanks for installing the Sentree AC monitoring system from Alert Labs. Stay cool, Sentree's on guard.